So that's our baby Nivan, and good morning everyone. Today is Sunday, I think 12th, and I'm leaving for Sai Service Pune, from where I'm going to be picking up my dad's new car. That's a Swift Dzire. So see you guys there in some time. I have reached Sai Service and वो Nexon मेरे भाई की है. इसके पीछे जो Swift खड़ी है वो हमारी है. I'm at the roadside. This is that JM Road showroom, so you might hear some background noise. So please excuse me for that whenever you hear that sound. All our paperwork is done. Some documents ले लिए, RC, not RC but tax copy, invoice original and what not. Lots of documents. Vehicle booklet, service booklet, toolkit and all सब हाथ में दे दिया है, सब explain किया है. एंड अब जा रहे हैं हम गाड़ी की तरफ, लेते हैं कार की डिलीवरी. बाइक में कार की डिलीवरी. So taking the key. Right side is my son, उसके बाद मेरे dad, my nephew, then the sales representative and the manager out here. Okay sir. This is the temple at Karve Road, but unfortunately band hai because of COVID seems. So we'll probably take it to some other temple now. Come to the third temple now. This is Mahavir Vidyalaya. There's a hostel out here, very big hostel on the left hand side. And at the end of this road ahead up is a small Jain temple. This area is really nice. It feels like a hill station once you enter it. That's the temple out there. A lot of people out here today. डूइंग अ क्विक पूजा. इधर कुछ फंक्शन चल रहा है अलग से शायद वहाँ पे, बिकॉज हमारा जैन पोल्यूशन का ये चल रहा है ना. लॉट्स ऑफ कार्स. दैट डूइंग अ स्मॉल पूजा. So guys, this is day 2 of the car at home, and आज इंस्टॉल करेंगे एक गणपति मूर्ति and some air freshener. I couldn't do it yesterday because we were running around temples and we had all other family functions and all because of pollution and all, and I couldn't complete the video too. आज भी दिन भर में अभी टाइम मिल रहा है. एक तो बारिश दिन भर शुरू था, कुछ ना कुछ was coming and going. Even now it is raining, so I can't take the car out. I also installed quickly a rubber cover or a silicone cover for the keychain. Unfortunately I had only one. एक Ertiga से मैं निकाल लिया, मतलब Ertiga में ये यूज़ नहीं हो रहा था तो उसका निकाल लिया. इसके लिए बाकी एक्सेसरीज जब इंस्टॉल करने जाएंगे that time I will purchase one more. So let's get. Oops, ये क्या हो गया? Once I get new accessories installed, that time I'll make another video. और बहुत कुछ इंस्टॉल होना है. गणपति बापा यहाँ पे, इनकी मूर्ति यहाँ पे स्थापना कर दी है. And let me give you a quick tour of what all accessories we got installed. First is this MGA का floor mats. So this one is rubber and it is restricted to this area. वहाँ पे भी एक है below the wrapper, and there is this two part. Dicky के लिए उन्होंने matting दी नहीं है. Then we got the seat covers installed. So for all the seat covers, rubber matting and all the accessories that we installed, they took around 12,000 or 11,000 something, which includes this door visor number 3 pay. Door visors are quite good ones, better than my Ertiga ones. Ertiga ones are quite short, these are quite big. So of course 4 visors आते हैं, door visors. ये था number 3. Number 4 पे we've got the steering cover installed. Again, nothing is leather, it is all PVC or fox leather. So this one is good, I like this one. It is giving me a good grip, you know, when I was driving in the city, when I had to maneuver the car at tight situations, it was giving a very good grip. Then we also installed the side molding. These ones, they seem to be gloss finished black with chrome. So these are the 4-5 accessories that we installed. Wheel caps came standard in VXi. So this is a VXi model. Front fog lamps we installed. This is the main thing. They are NGA parts. This itself costed somewhere around 5,000, but overall discount हुआ था. And the fog lamps work like OEM installation. It is completely OEM installation where you get an original switch too. Okay, and they start only when your parking lights are turned on, not directly. They won't start like, you know, if you put on the key and if you try to start the fog lamps. Yesterday I tried, they didn't work. So unless your headlight starts, the fog lamps won't start. Let me turn on the car. What am I missing? Oh, I have to press the clutch. And there the engine fires. Now I turn on the headlight, and now the fog lamp should turn on. You see the light is turned on. The fog lamps have now turned on. This is a very good thing. I liked OEM fitting. कुछ wire काटना नहीं पड़ा, कुछ नहीं. Everything was plug and play. Unfortunately, I couldn't do a complete installation video at their location because मैं भी busy था. उन लोग भी गाड़ी को fast deliver करना था उनको. They gave us the car in less than a week. I mean, all registration process, everything was completed within a week. I paid on one Saturday, and next Saturday everything was ready. That is 11th को पूरी गाड़ी ready थी, and 12th को हमने जाके delivery ले ली. I love this boot space of the car. That is the reason why, you know, we had to pick this. I mean, of course we were asking dad like what he wants and all, because previously we picked up the Swift without asking him, and he was not able to keep his stuff, you know, when he's traveling around. He couldn't keep his office samples and all in the dicky. But with this he was really happy, and he said let's finalize Dzire. So we went in for this one. Again, all wheels are steel wheels. हमने mag wheels लिए हैं because it is VXi. Probably I'll upgrade them to mag wheels someday soon. This number plate garnish I gave them because I didn't want the numbers to be riveted on the car. Even my TRK is not riveted. ये भी रिवेट नहीं किया मैंने, and मेरी जो iCube है वो भी रिवेट नहीं की है. So even the front is not riveted. This looks more elegant, this looks more clean. Of course this will have some vibes which I'll have to, you know, fix at a later date. I had this garnish at home. They call it number plate garnish. So I used this one itself. I don't know for which car I had got it, but पड़ा था तो यही use कर लिया. One thing I didn't like about the car is the road noise and the tire noise. My Ford, even after 1 lakh kilometers, did not have road noise from the bottom inside the car. So probably I'll get a good undercoating done, and body के अंदर जो, I mean cabin के अंदर we do a normally installation of floor matting, or I forgot the name what is called. वो पूरा करेंगे अंदर. I'll get it done from one of the dealers where I got the work done usually. Then some door guards are required and some bumper guards are required. So वो भी करेंगे 2 item. Bumper guards in fact I've got at home. I just have to install them, but I'll do it everything together. If someone knows about the legality of films, I'm 100% sure that they're 100% illegal. But if there is some way to install them, some level, because I do see some cars installed. Do let me know and I'll try those out. The best part of this car is this. Look at this leg room. Okay, now this is not pulled back further. I mean, there's enough pulled back front or back. There's got enough space. वो मेरे height के हिसाब से adjust की हुई है. The driver seat is in front. So of course उधर ज़्यादा जगह रहेगा, but I'm not showing you that. I'm showing you this one. If you see the room space over here, leg room space over here, it is kind of luxury on 4 wheels. So this is quite spacious and really good, especially for my dad when he does long travels and all. We don't have any ISO fix over here for the rear child seat, but you do get a center armrest. ये बिठाया नहीं है ठीक से या निकल के आया है. And you got adjustable headrests at the rear. So again, this is kind of a luxury, and you also get a hook out here to hold some of your luggage. If you want to hold here, you can hold it via this part. One reading light up here and one here. Again, these will be changed to white ones. I'm not sure when. You get a AC out here, AC outlet, and you can open or shut the blower, adjust the level of blowing. But no motor out here, it's just the air flowing out. And you got a socket over here for 12 volt, and you got one up front also. Let me show you that. Here's the 12 volt charger, and you got USB and aux over here. USB to ज़्यादा use होगा नहीं. It is maximum going to be a chauffeur driven car, and my driver does take care of the cars really well. And this is the music system, and it is semi touch. It's not completely touch. So yesterday I couldn't operate this. So you do a long press to this one and it turns on. I'm still not aware about all the functions, how they work and all. Basically I was not interested because ज़्यादा use करने वाले हम नहीं है नहीं. This is a small glove box here. A lot of small pockets everywhere to keep things. इधर भी है. Either there's a small thing, I think vanity mirror here, and nothing here, just a card holder here. The word that I couldn't recall is floor lamination. वो पूरा करना ही पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे sill plates लगते हैं. They've got multiple names for this. वो भी लगाने पड़ेंगे. And to prevent marks on this, इस पे already लगना शुरू हो गया है. तो this door panel. So I'll probably do some lamination over here also. So all these things will be slowly done. Even the headlights, I won't disturb them. The color of the headlights and the color of fog lamps. But parking lights change होंगे. They'll be turned to white, and the number plate light, even that will be turned to white. थोड़ा तो distinct होना चाहिए car. So that's it guys. I'll end the video here. I hope you like the details that I've shown you, and if I missed any, do let me know in the comments, and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. So yes, I'll end the vlog here. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe and hit the bell icon for all updates from me. Do share the video ahead, those who would be interested in getting this car, or if you know that your friends or family is planning for this car or a similar segment car, they can get a proper tour of this car.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and